Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect a Bluetooth speaker with your Mac operating system. So I'm using a JBL Bluetooth speaker, but you can use any other Bluetooth speaker to connect to your Mac operating system. This procedure will be same for any other Bluetooth speaker. So first of all, just turn on your Bluetooth speaker and then you just need to click on this icon on your dock, which is for system settings. So just click on it, or you can also open the system settings by clicking on the Apple logo here and then click on system settings. Now on the left hand side you will be able to see the Bluetooth icon here. So as you can see on the menu bar, this Bluetooth icon is not available. So you can go to the system settings and then turn on the Bluetooth. If you want to see the Bluetooth icon on the top, I will also show you how you can view that in the menu bar. But for now, just turn on this Bluetooth. So just toggle this toggle button, which is going to search for the nearby Bluetooth devices. So just wait for a few seconds, and in few seconds you can see my JBL Flip 4 speaker is listed here, which is a Bluetooth speaker. And when I hover over this nearby device, I can click on connect, right? So I can also see this connect button. So I'm going to click on connect button, which is going to connect my Mac operating system to my Bluetooth speaker. So now once this Bluetooth speaker is connected, I can play any media. For example, I have this sample MP4 file. I'm going to just click on it and then play it, and it plays
Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to
on
show you
the
how
Bluetooth
to
speaker,
download and
right?
install.
So this is how you can connect a Bluetooth speaker. One extra tip: if you want to see the Bluetooth icon on the top menu bar, then in the system settings, click on control center option, which is this one. And then the second option here is Bluetooth. By default, it's don't show in the menu bar, right? So you need to select show in the menu bar, which is going to show the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar. And from here itself, you will be able to see the Bluetooth toggle button. So from here, you can enable or disable Bluetooth, and you will also see all the connected devices under the Bluetooth section, right? So you can see the JBL Flip 4 is connected. And if you want to view more, click on Bluetooth settings, which is also going to open the Bluetooth section in the system settings, right? So this is how you can connect a Bluetooth speaker with your Mac operating system. This connection is also simple. Just hover over the connected device and then click on disconnect, and it's going to disconnect your device. Also, if you want to forget this device, you can do that also. So even after disconnecting, this device is in the list of Bluetooth connected devices, right? So if you want to forget this device, click on this info icon here and then click on forget this device and then click on forget device, and it's going to remove that device from this list, right? So that's how you can connect a Bluetooth speaker with your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.